Iron Man is undoubtedly everyone's most favorite superhero. Is there a way we can become like him and have scientists already succeeded in creating his suits? Well, tag along as we begin to understand these questions and bring out their answers. Iron Man's suit comprises of many aspects, like first of all, the arc reactor. Iron Man's arc reactor may seem impossible, but it actually is possible in theory. His infamous arc reactor, which he uses to power all his suits, is based upon an actual scientific process called cold nuclear fusion. It generates energy by removing the electron from a hydrogen nuclei, and the resulting plasma so produced is made to move in circles using magnetic fields. This motion of plasma creates potential difference for the electrons to flow, and a ton of energy is generated in this process. So you may be wondering that if this is all possible, then why don't we see arc reactors around us? Well, the answer to that question is pretty simple. See, plasma formation needs millions of degrees of temperature, and that temperature needs to be maintained. Plasma is a state of matter which is usually found in stars like Sun. So to maintain that kind of temperature in one's chest is impractical. But that's where the cold part comes in. See, cold fusion is a theoretical concept which theorizes that nuclear fusion might occur or would occur near room temperature. A suitable material for this is thought to be palladium, since palladium can absorb hydrogen and regulate the temperature. This material is mentioned in the movie Iron Man also, and this movie gets it right. Cold fusion is hypothetical for now and exists only in pen paper, but that's good enough for Marvel, who used it in its movie Iron Man. Leaving the energy aspect aside, we have seen the development of AI in our time. So while arc reactor is still decades away, we can say that other aspects of the Iron Man suits, like his technologically advanced AI Jarvis and Friday, are completely possible within the next few years. And who knows, give ChatGPT a voice and it could technically become Jarvis. And that's it, folks. If you didn't understand how the arc reactor works, don't worry, you're not alone. Just remember, it's a tiny glowing thing that keeps Tony Stark alive and makes him look like a walking Christmas tree. Thank you for watching, and as Iron Man would say, I love you 3000.